Hey guys, it's Zach with Turpin Landscape Design Build. Today I want to show you some basic components that are part of every one of our ecosystem ponds. We're going to dive a little bit into each of these components, but what we have here is a biological filter called our Biofalls 2500 series. We've got a skimmer 1000 series. We have our pump, check valve, receiver for the pump, and some elements that we put in on every one of our water features to keep the water quality really good, which is our automatic dosing system by Aquascape and the INGen control box. So what I want to start is with the skimmer. The reason I want to start here is because this can get added to any water feature, and the purpose of this is to pull water from the surface of your pond just like a pool skimmer. So one of the main reasons that we want to skim the surface of the pond is to get as much of that organic debris like leaves, mulch, fish waste, fish food that's left over after you're done feeding, and get it out of the pond system before it sinks to the bottom. One issue that we see all the time is when pumps are sitting at the bottom of a pond and recirculating up for a fountain or for a waterfall. And what it's doing is it's pulling all of that debris and it's bringing it down to the pump. And anything that's too large to go through the pump is either going to clog it, which means you have to get in to maintain it, or it's just going to get stuck and left inside of the water. And now it's just more work for the filter. So if we can remove that, then that's going to be the best case scenario. I want to talk next about the filter that we're sending the water to, which is our Biofalls 2500. There's a 6000 series, which is really large, and then there's a smaller one for really small ponds. And the way that this works is it takes water in through the bottom of what we call is a flow chamber. What the flow chamber does is it takes that pump water, it diffuses it through the chamber, and it comes up evenly through some filter media before it spills over the front. One of the most common reasons that these things don't give you the results you expect is usually because you're over cleaning it. This is designed to actually trap sediment and convert it into beneficial bacteria that then goes and feeds the plants. And what you don't want to do is clean these filter pads out regularly. So there's two other components that we like to incorporate in all of our ecosystem pond builds. One is the automatic dosing system. Your pond needs a little bit of help, especially in the first few seasons. It's going to need some bacteria, it's going to need some detoxifiers. There are just certain enzymes that the pond is lacking as it starts to mature and grow throughout the season, and the automatic dosing system is the most consistent way to introduce these bacteria into your pond. The auto doser has treatment bags for maintaining the water feature at the level it is, but also if you're seeing some other issues in your pond like clarity or discoloration or even heavy metals that are coming in from the well, they've got some different products that you can change out that'll automatically dose the system in a consistent way that you can gauge how many gallons are on your pond, and you can set that with this plus or minus button that are sitting right here. We will typically incorporate an auto doser with this product called an INGen. The INGen has another primary focus, which is only string algae. String algae and filamentous type of algae are really pernicious and hard to get taken care of without a lot of maintenance. So not every pond gets it, but we just prepare for if it does. This is the best device that we have found to take care of preventing, treating, and removing string algae out of a pond system. So I really hope that this video is helpful in understanding the components that are a part of your pond system. If you have any questions about these, give us a call. We're happy to come out and help you service it. Just wanted to make sure that you had an idea on how your pond works.